Just how easy is it to really change the oil on my E160 John Deere riding mower? I'm going to show you in this quick video. We are at 47 miles. If you open the hood up, service interval says at 50 hours or every year you should change the engine oil, so we're just about there. This is the easy change oil filter system, so you got the easy change filter right over here. Let's get right into it and change this oil. First things first, with any oil change, you should always check the level of the oil before you change it. I already wiped it down. And we're just a little bit low, but not too bad for 47 hours of running. Got these 3 little tabs right here. I'm just gonna pull back on this to give some access. If this is your first time doing this, we recommend cutting off the shipping zip tie right over here. You don't really need that, that was just there for shipping purposes. So we'll cut that off. We're gonna grab, we're gonna rotate it counterclockwise to make it go from lock to unlock. There's a little arrow right there. Grab, lock to unlock, pull up. It's that simple, really. It's a little valve right there. We're gonna clean the area up with the rag. Here's the new filter. If you don't know how the system works, the new filter already has the oil in there, so all you have to do is change the filter and the whole oil change is done. That's why it's an easy change. 10W30. Here are the instructions that I'll go over at the end of the video in case you don't have this, but right now we're just gonna take this rubber cap off. Pops right off like that. Let's go ahead and line up our little arrow with the unlock. Yeah, so push down a little bit, rotate to the lock, and we're done. That's the oil change. That's why they call it an easy oil change, and that's why this video should be under 3 minutes long. Instructions pretty much just say, hey, do this cold. You don't have to warm up the engine before changing the oil. Lift up the hood, remove that zip tie, remove the old oil filter, wipe everything clean, install the new one, check the oil level with the dipstick before you do anything, and then start the car. All right, you wiped it down again. The oil level is still on the bottom line, so maybe I can add a little bit. If you want to add oil, you go right to the dipstick tube with the funnel. That's all she wrote. I'm gonna start her up, let her warm up, check the oil level again, and that is the end of the oil change. To reset that little indicator right there, this is what you gotta do. You gotta take your key, you wanna start your mower, let it idle for a few seconds. Once it's idling for a few seconds, leave the key where it is, get off of it, and just turn it off. The key has to stay on that on position for 2 hours, all right? After 2 hours, you can turn your lawnmower off and that will reset. So that's the easiest way to reset your light. Anyways, aside from my mumbo jumbo, the oil change literally only takes about a minute. If I were to just skip everything else and just remove the old filter, put the new one on. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with my other videos. I'm gonna show you how to change the air filter on this and the spark plugs and the fuel filter. So if you like this video, like and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate your support. Till next time, peace. John Deere.